Hello, and welcome to today's presentation. My name is Andrew Price. I'm the Director of Sales and Business Operations at NuWave Technologies, and today we're going to take a brief look at LightWave Server. NuWave develops two LightWave products, LightWave Server and LightWave Client. LightWave Server is server-side middleware which allows you to expose your NonStop applications securely as REST services. LightWave Client is client-side middleware which allows your NonStop applications to easily access remote REST services. Some of the benefits of LightWave Server include the ability to respond faster to changing business demands, particularly now that REST has become such a widespread message format. It allows you to integrate with third-party applications in a manner that will be supported by those applications. And perhaps most importantly, it allows you to leverage your existing NonStop applications and the valuable data that those applications contain without changing the application. Some typical LightWave Server use cases include to provide services that allow your customers and business partners to place orders, check inventory, or even make payments using REST services, to create new dashboards that display NonStop application status, to integrate your NonStop applications with other enterprise applications and even API gateways, something that's becoming quite popular, and to develop new mobile or web applications that utilize the information stored on your NonStop. This is a high-level architectural view of LightWave Server. On the left-hand side, we can see a variety of different types of REST client, and in fact, LightWave Server will support any type of REST client, regardless of the physical form factor. The REST client will typically send a request in via JSON over HTTP. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. That request will be received by LightWave Server running on the NonStop, and LightWave Server is configured to transform that incoming JSON HTTP request into an inter-process message, or IPM. That IPM is the message format that the backend application is expecting to see. In this case, the IPM is being sent to either a pathway server or a guardian process. And that backend application processes the request and sends a response back again via IPM to LightWave Server. And LightWave Server is configured to transform that IPM into a JSON HTTP response, which is sent back to the REST client. In this way, existing applications can be very quickly and easily REST enabled without making any change to the application whatsoever. The LightWave products include the same standard set of features, including adhering to all NonStop fundamentals. They run under Guardian. There's no OSS required whatsoever. They run on all supported NonStop hardware and software. They run as a fault-tolerant process pair and also include worker processes for load sharing and load balancing. They include complete support for TMF. They also have a wide range of monitoring and diagnostic capabilities as listed on the screen, including the ability to define user-defined measure counters. They allow for rapid development, being standards-based, and include comprehensive browser-based management and development tools. Products also include comprehensive security support so that all traffic is protected over the wire using TLS. HTTP basic and digest authentication are supported to allow for username and password authentication. And policies can also be configured to enable rules-based access control to ensure that only certain users groups or even client IP addresses are able to access the services that are defined. If you'd like to know more about LightWave Server, please see the links on the screen or feel free to send me a request for any more information using the numbers and email address that you can see on the screen. And keep an eye out for other upcoming presentations from NuWave Technologies. Thank you.